Preeti Blue Leaf Platinum Mixie, and this is also known as model number MG145, and this contains our basic unit with the 750 watt motor, 1.7 liter SS jar with blade, transparent dome and handle, 1 liter SS jar with blade, PP dome and handle, 1 liter super extractor with blade, SS filter, cup and lid, 0.4 grind and store jar with blade and transparent lid, transparent jar big with the cap, transparent jar with the small with cap, flex lid for 1.7 liter jar, mincer blade, whipper blade, stirrer and instruction manual. Let us see what is there inside. They have packed very nicely. It contains 2 chambers. In that first chamber, it contains one small chutney jar and one lid, one lid and one more lid and one blade. And in the below chamber, it contains that big that juicer cum coconut milk extractor. Let us unpack it. Here it contains one cap and one measuring scale or measuring cup, that juicer extractor or filter, one pamphlet with juice extractor, blade inside fixed, and one more jar is small jar. Again, it can be used for wet or dry grinding with blades fixed. Large jar for both wet and dry grinding with the blade fixed. That motor of 750 watt capacity. And along with this, they give you two containers with the cap, one small one and one bigger one. And here there is a colorful manual which says what you can do with your mixie, and including different kinds of recipes in it, and how to use your grind and store. And here one more cover, or what you can say, that cap is given so that you can extract juice or you can add up water at the time of grinding. It is useful for both small and large jars. Here contains one more jar. It is for the bigger one or bigger jar. Usually that people will use this one only, but if you are interested, you can use another one also. And at the time, you have to keep your jar and you have to insert it and you have to turn in clockwise direction till it gets adjusted.